Sat Shri Akal or Namaste everyone. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. After posting my first ever video on YouTube, I have continuously been receiving requests to create one Punjabi wedding guest tutorial. So guys, here I am. Since this video is based on Punjabi culture, so I have decided to speak in Punjabi as well as in English, both to make this video more interactive. So guys, I am Deep and you guys have tuned into Miss Jiva Deep. Now without any further pause, let's just dive into the video. Now I'm applying medical tape for some obvious reason. Let me take you closer to my face ताकि तुसी clearly देख सको. Now कोई भी makeup start करने तो पहला primer is very important and I'm using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer on my eyes. Take adequate amount. For me, less than 1 drop is enough for both eyes. And उसे gently अपनी eyes पे apply करेंगे. Now eyelid ਨੂੰ even tone ਕਰਨ ਲਈ I am using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Ivory. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਬਿਊਟੀ ਬਲੈਂਡਰ ਨਾਲ ਬਲੈਂਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ. ਮੇਕ ਸ਼ੋਰ your beauty blender is damp. Now guys, I'm using Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. My shade is Coral and using this type of brush, I'm going to apply enough amount of powder and इसਨੂੰ मैं अपनी पूरी eyelid ਤੇ apply ਕਰਾਂਗੀ just to pack the concealer. Now guys, today I'm using this palette from Wet n Wild and मैं सब तो पहला lightest shade apply करूँगी on my eyelid just to smoothen out it. Now guys, from the same palette I'm gonna take this wine shade and मैं अपनी crease line पे apply करूँगी. By the way guys, names of all the products popping up on the screen, also the links are mentioned in the description box. ਹੁਣ मैं rust colored eyeshadow लगावांगी and I'm gonna apply it on my outer V. Now I'm taking this transition shade and then I'm gonna blend my crease line upwards just to make it look more dissolved ताकि harsh lines visible ना हो. To fill up my lid मैं choose किया है brick sort of shade. Guys, trust me, I'm in love with this palette now. Now guys, इस eyeshadow ਨੂੰ complete ਕਰਨ ਲਈ मैं ਇਹਦੇ ਚ add ਕਰਾਂਗੀ ਕੁਝ shimmer shade and for that I am using Swiss Beauty's liquid eyeshadow in the shade 01. It is beautiful golden color eyeshadow and to make it look blended, I'm gonna take this shade from the same palette and I'm gonna blend the harsh line of the shimmer. It will take time, so guys please be patient. Now for lower lash line, I am taking mixture of two shades. Then ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ lower lash line ਤੇ blended form ਚ apply ਕਰਾਂਗੀ और ਇਹ ਸਾਡੀ eye look ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ complete look ਦੇਗੀ. ਹੁਣ मैं skin color काजल apply करांगी on my lower waterline just to make my eye look bigger. Now guys, it's time for eyeliner. I'm using this Lakme Insta liner, but मैं इसने behind the camera apply करेंगे because I'm not comfortable. Now to make my eyes look more awakened, मैं एक shimmer shade add करेंगी on the inner corner of my eyes. अपनी eye look ਨੂੰ complete ਕਰਨ ਲਈ I'm gonna apply Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on my eyelashes. Now guys, getting on the face makeup, फर्स्टली मैं अप्लाई कर रही हूँ नायका स्किन पोर्शन फॉर डल एंड ड्राई स्किन। For primer, I am using the same Nykaa Prep Me Up primer and ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ face ਦੇ required areas ਤੇ apply ਕਰਾਂਗੀ। Now guys, it's time for foundation. I am using concoction of two different foundations. First one is Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Ivory and the second one is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Ivory. And using foundation brush, मैं even layer apply करूँगी on my face. By the way guys, you can follow me on Instagram. Instagram handle is given on the screen as well as in the description box, so you can check out there. And then using damp blender, I'm gonna blend it well. Now guys, it's time for concealer. I'm using the same Maybelline New York Age Rewind concealer in the shade Ivory. I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. Also इन्हें मैं अपने face के high points पे apply करूँगी ताकि वो सब brighten up होके दिखे। From this concealer palette, I'm gonna take the darkest shade to contour ताकि मेरे face ਨੂੰ proper dimension मिले, just to avoid flat look. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ hollow of cheek bone ਤੇ apply ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਤੇ ਨਾਲੇ forehead ਤੇ ਵੀ apply ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। नोज ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕੰਟੂਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। And using same beauty blender, I'm gonna blend them all. Now we're gonna take orange color corrector. मैं इसਨੂੰ अपने apple of cheeks पे apply करूँगी as blush. Trust me guys, it look amazing. Now using Maybelline Super Fresh Compact, I'm gonna set my face makeup. Now अपने मेकअप ਨੂੰ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग ਕਰਨ ਲਈ मैं यूज कर रही हूँ Wet n Wild Duo Setting Spray। गाइज ਹੁਣ ਫੇਸ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter by using fan brush ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ high points of cheeks, center of forehead ਤੇ chin ਤੇ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ। Then by using a thin bristled brush मैं इन्हें apply करूँगी on the bridge of nose as well as on the cupid's bow. Now for lips, firstly I'm gonna apply Craving Coral from Maybelline Creamy Matte range. Then मैं उन टॉप अप करांगी Bon Appetit Baby Shade from Nykaa Creamy Matte. I hope ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਲੁੱਕ ਔਰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਹੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ। Then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also you can watch my previous videos. I am sure you're gonna find them creative and informative at the same time. Also you can follow me on Instagram. Its handle is popping up on the screen. You can drop your valuable feedback and also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I posted a new video.